Good morning everyone, my name is Mandeep Singh. I am Universal Coach at Learnmatic Institute of English Language. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing module, specifically the writing evaluation bifurcation. And in order to understand this, we should know that there are 4 parameters which you need to keep in mind in order to score high in writing. And these are, in order to understand this in simplest way, you just need to read the questions very carefully and stick to the topic only. It might sound quite obvious to all of you, but it is very common. Most of the time it happens when students shift their focus from original question to somewhere else. So this is where they actually get deduction in their marks. Coherence means sequence and cohesion means links. I mean, you need to write your ideas in very perfect sequence and join those ideas with perfect cohesion, means links. Grammatical range and accuracy. This is very simple and self-explanatory. The tense used in your sentence should be very correct and grammatical mistakes should not be there in your writing. There are few other parameters which you need to keep in mind, like spelling mistake, use of abbreviation. You should not use informal language and the tone of your writing should remain same. These are few points which you need to keep in mind. Lexical resource is very important parameter. Lexical resource means the range of vocabulary you use in your writing. In order to avoid repetition of word you use in your writing, you should know a lot of synonyms, phrases and words. So practice this. Best of luck. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you, and kindly subscribe my channel and share my video with your family and friends. For more updates and online classes, kindly contact us at 77079 00999.